Traders, Anthony here. I've got the euro dollar open on the 15-minute. I've just been messing around in here looking at all this. What I might do is go out to the higher time frame to show you what I got marked up. Then we'll come back down into the lower time frames and I'll give you a take. So let's just go out to a monthly to start with, just very, very quickly. What we got here is these lows here. Resistance, spike through resistance. So we've got this red monthly candle here. So I've marked up this monthly level, resistance level. So that's the monthly. We've got the weekly time frame. Same thing. I've just gone back. We've got these highs here. Weekly, we've got this candle bodies that I've marked up, and then further back it's high. All right, so multiple attempts at this. So we got spiked up here a couple of times. It's acted as support here. So weekly, monthly. Up here. Now we're on the weekly time frame. So we've got a weekly candle here. It's Thursday. Let's go down now to the daily and I'll just show you what I got. All right, so I've marked up this accumulation range. That's a target for a short on the daily time frame. And the other thing to note is see this dashed line. This is the weekly open. So it opened here. It spiked up, took out buy-side liquidity, and smart money is selling. That's the theme for the week. So I'm looking for a short. I don't want to get in down here. All right, so the opportunity hopefully will be if it spikes back up into this level. So I'm going with this weekly open as my resistance, trading under it. Let's have a look at it on the 4H. It's keeping it really simple, guys. Okay, it's trending down. We've got a bit of a lower low here. So lower highs, lower lows on the 4H. I like it. It meets my criteria. Okay, so we've got this distribution, thin candle, traded down. I want to see a pullback. Grab a fib if you like. Trend base, no, not that one, this one. High to low. See the 61.8786. That's my key entry point through here. So my sell zone is set up, through this range. Optimal entry, trending short, pull back into the yellow zone on the fibs. So that's what I'm looking at on these time frames. And if we can go down to a 15. So what we've got here at the moment is now it's all marked up. So we've got our levels. What I've done is I've actually gone in with a market sell when this spiked up here. So I am short already. We've got this range here that I'm willing to get involved with. So if we see this move back up, we've got the Asia close, we've got the New York open, and I'm hoping to see this, however it works out, rotate around here and give us a nice outcome for today. All right, now once it really kicks off, if this trend does set up, I'll be looking to take most of my position off fairly early, and then I'll trail the rest. So if we go back out again, go back to the hourly time frame, I'll just set up a short position. I'm just going to average it out midway through here, but yeah, know that I'm already in. Stop loss above here, but that's my take on this at the moment. That hopefully it'll rotate in here and we see a nice outcome. What else can I say about this? Let's keep an eye on it. I mean, you can sit in front of the chart and wait for the price action to set up and take the trade. Or, as I'm doing here, I kind of want to do other things tonight. So I'm setting this up as a set and forget. All right, guys, that's my take on the euro dollar. I'm short. And with that, oh, by the way, click the links below and have a look at my website. Join Telegram. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.